Today we are going to classify polymers on the base of structure or on the base of arrangement of monomer. Clear? So, or on the base of simply monomer. So, on the base of monomer arrangement, clear, or on the base of types of monomer in one polymer, we can classify polymer into two main classes, that is homopolymer and copolymer. Homopolymer and copolymer. So first of all, we are going to discuss homopolymer. So homopolymer are those polymer, the homopolymer are those polymer which are composed of as a whole same type of monomers. Clear? For example, this is a polymer. Clear? This is a polymer or this is a matter, and actually this matter is composed of polymer. So what is polymer? Means here there is a long chain. There is a long chain of what? Of polymer. And this polymer consists of only single type of monomers as a whole. Clear? So homopolymer are those polymer which consists of same type of monomer as a whole, or those polymer which consists of same type of monomer in their structure. Clear? So for example, this is an example of homopolymer: CH2 acrylonitrile. For example, that is acrylonitrile. This is acrylonitrile. So when they combine to each other, they form a polymer, that is polyacrylonitrile. Polyacrylonitrile, that is CH, here CN, CH2, clear, CH, CN, and so on. So this is a type of polymer which is composed of same type of monomer, that is acrylonitrile. So if you concentrate here same type of monomer repeated in their structure. Clear? Or you can write another example as for example, this is a very simple case, poly, or for example this is ethylene. What? Ethylene. So when n molecule of ethylene combine, they form a polymer, that is polyethylene. That is polyethylene. So you can see here the same unit, that is what? That is ethylene. So the same unit means ethylene repeated in their whole structure. So homopolymer are those polymer which are composed of same monomer, or those polymer which are composed of same or one type of monomer. Clear? So now we are going toward copolymer. So what is copolymer? Copolymer are those polymer which are composed of more than one type of monomer. Copolymer are those polymer which are composed of more than one type of monomer. Copolymer composed of, if we represent homopolymer is R is clear. If we represent homopolymer is, then we will represent copolymer is or is clear. So there are different ways which are responsible to represent different types of what copolymer. So now we are going to classify copolymer further. Clear? So on the base of arrangement we will classify them. So the first one is random copolymer. So copolymer are further divided into so many groups. Number one is random copolymer. So random copolymer are those copolymer in which the monomer are arranged in random way as A, B, B, A, B, A, B. For example, this is one type of monomer and this is a second type of monomer. If they arrange randomly, so such type of polymer is actually copolymer, because here two types of monomer are involved. And if they arrange randomly, so polymer where more than one type of monomer involved, and if they arrange randomly, so such type of copolymer is known as random copolymer. For example, this is ethylene and this is acrylonitrile. Clear? And if, for example, this is acrylonitrile again, and if this is acrylonitrile again, clear? And here is also acrylonitrile. Okay, so if they combine by any random way, so we will write it as clear. If they form a bond, for example, here they are arranged randomly. So if there is a polymer and the monomer are arranged randomly, so such type of polymer will be known as random copolymer. Another example, alternating copolymer. Alternating copolymer. So what are alternating copolymer? Alternating copolymer are those polymer in which monomer are arranged alternatively with alternate manner. For example, we have a monomer CH2 and CH2, CH, CO, CH3, acryloacetate, suppose. Clear? So if they arrange such that CH2, CH, and here COO, CH3, then again write it here CH2, clear, and then write it again here CH2, CH only, and COO, CH3. Clear? So if there is such type of polymer where the monomer are arranged alternatively, is known as alternating copolymer. are known as alternating copolymer. So the second type, block copolymer, that is block copolymer. Third type of polymer, that is block copolymer. Clear? So here the word block means if the block of monomer are attached with each other. For example, if the monomer are attached by this manner, for example, these are one block and this is another block. Clear? So if monomer are arranged by this way, so such type of polymer will be known as block copolymer. For example, that is, this is ethylene, 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 and then acrylonitrile, 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 acrylonitrile. So if monomer are arranged by this way, so such type of copolymer are known as what? Block copolymer. So the fourth type is graft copolymer. Graft copolymer. So graft copolymer are such polymer where one type of monomer are arranged as a backbone and the second type of monomer are arranged as a branch. For example, if this is ethylene, 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 and so on, this is a backbone of ethylene, and here there is some branches of suppose acrylonitrile, acrylonitrile, and here acrylonitrile and acrylonitrile. So such type of polymer are known as graft copolymer. Another word that is used for copolymer is tercopolymer. Tercopolymer. This is a type of copolymer where three type of monomer are used in the chain. For example, A, B, C, C, A, B, A, B, C. For example, this is R, ethylene, ethylene, acrylonitrile, acrylonitrile, R, ethylene, yeah, ethylene may be possible here, ethylene, and acrylonitrile may be, repeat here. If we use another unit, for example C here, so it means tercopolymer are those polymer where three different types of monomer are used in the formation of chain or in the formation of polymer. Clear? So we have discussed homopolymer and copolymer. Homopolymer are those polymer which are composed of same type of monomer, and here copolymer are those polymer which are composed of more than one type of monomer. That is stepwise. Number one, alternative copolymer, where the monomer are arranged with alternate manner, and second one is graft copolymer, where the bunch of monomer are arranged. Clear? And the third one, random copolymer. What? Random copolymer. And fourth one is tercopolymer, and so on. And graft copolymer also, graft copolymer, where the one type of monomer work as a main skeleton or backbone, and the second type will attached as a branch. So we will discuss the next classification in the next lecture. Okay.